Beyond the Fade is a musical visualization and consciousness expansion exercise. It is a functional tool designed for active participation. By the end of this guide, you will be able to use the song's specific lyrical cues to move your awareness past your current limits of perception. This exercise does not require advanced meditation skills or a specific physical posture. Your focused attention is the only necessary ingredient. Perceptual expansion relies on your willingness to engage the precise inner movement the lyrics describe, regardless of your personal sensory style. Begin the practice as music starts by imagining yourself standing at the edge of your current perception. This edge is the threshold where your familiar, known experiences end and unclear territory begins. You do not need to force a clear mental picture. Feeling or intuiting the presence of this boundary is a valid starting point. Locating this personal edge without forcing immediate clarity provides the foundation for the expansion that follows. When you hear the lyrics, "expand beyond perception, expand beyond the sight," the practice enters the reaching phase. Upon hearing this cue, actively push your awareness outward toward the unknown. This chart displays experience across degrees of density. Solid shapes represent clear concepts. Microscopic points on the right represent the thinnest thin, the subtlest boundary before form disappears. Reaching beyond this layer brings unformed potential into recognizable light. Do not count how many times the lyrics repeat. Instead, use the duration of the loop to deepen your reach. The success of this phase depends on your active orientation and forward momentum toward the unknown. When the lyrics shift to the past tense, "I moved beyond the thinnest thin and brought it back to light," the practice enters the arrival phase. Firm. Grounding. At this cue, drop the effort of reaching. Shift your inner posture to one of having already crossed boundary. You are now securely standing in a newly expanded space, holding whatever has been brought back into the light. This shift from striving to completion anchors the expanded state into your current experience. After the arrival cue, the song will eventually return to the original reaching cue. This return is not a reset. The structure of the practice allows you to treat your recently expanded state as your new baseline. Because your field of awareness is now larger, a new, wider threshold appears for you to explore. You treat this new edge exactly as you did the first, using the recursive loop to repeat the crossing. This trains your body and imagination to stay present at the edge of the unknown. Over time, you begin to relate to the limit of perception as a point of potential. You have now learned the complete workflow, identifying the edge, riding the cues through reaching and arrival, and using the recursive loop to continue the expansion. For those seeking deeper physiological integration, you may use the Beyond the Fade breathing series. This breathing variation pairs the lyrical cues with lengthened exhales to draw your attention inward. Open the track, locate your edge, and begin the movement beyond it.